So this free Claude Code skills runs a full SEO audit on your entire website in 3 minutes. I'm going to install it live in this video, run it on a real site, and show it to you the exact PDF report it generates. This is the same kind of audit SEO agencies charge thousands of dollars for, and by the end of this video, you will have it running on your own site. So let's get into it. So here we're on GitHub, and here is the skill that we're looking at. Claude SEO Audit skill for Claude Code. We can scroll down and then we'll see the installation instructions. So let's go ahead to grab this link, copy it, open VS Code. That's what I like to use. And I'll open up the terminal by pressing Control backtick. Just type in Claude and paste the command here. And then you'll see that I successfully added Marketplace. And then let's come back here and then copy the install plugin. Copy this and then paste it here. Hit enter and press on enter. Install for you, use the scope. And then you'll see that it's installed. And let's type in / reload plugins, and that will activate the plugins. So now let's open up a Claude Code chat. Okay, so to run the audit, we can just type in /SEO. So the first one would be a comprehensive SEO analysis. So we can just type in space and add the command. So we can say audit and then input the website that you want to do the audit on. So let me go ahead to grab a website. So here's an example website that I'm going to use, and then just hit enter. Let's click on yes, so we can allow Claude to fetch this content. And then you see the audit is being conducted now. And you see the different background agents launched. Here are the different agents. So here we are looking at the detailed reports. So these are the action plans of how you can improve your site. And when we scroll up, we are able to see the local SEO score, which is 61, and also the AI search score, which is 48. And here are the different AI platforms and their respective score. So there are a lot of things that we can improve on this website based on this audit. So let's come down here and let me generate a PDF for this report. Can you generate a PDF file for this audit? And just type that in, and then a PDF file is going to be generated. So here we have the PDF generated. So here's the file. So we can just open this. And here we have the detailed SEO report with a score of 63 out of 100. So it needs improvement. So let's scroll down. So here's the SEO health score breakdown and the AI platform visibility scores. So these can definitely be improved. So here are the critical issues that needs to be fixed immediately, and high priority issues that should be fixed within 2 weeks. And here are the medium ones that could be fixed within 30 days. And then we have the structured data audit, the local SEO analysis, the core web vitals assessments, and AI search readiness. So this one I think is really important because right now I think it's really important to optimize for AI search. So when people ask questions in ChatGPT or Perplexity or even Google AI, you would have a higher chance to show up in the search results if you're optimized for AI search. And then we have the action plan. So these are the things that you can do in order to improve your site. So everything is super detailed. So this Claude skill is extremely useful to break down your site and give you a SEO audit. I will include the link in the description below. And any questions you have, just let me know in the comments. And I hope to see you in the next one.